Our body has 5 elements. Earth is the grossest, then water. Much subtler than earth is water. Water flows, right? Water flows, and then subtler than water is air, and heat radiates. And subtler than that is the space element, which is there everywhere. And our mind is subtler than water, air, and fire. So our mind also spreads. It can spread, it can move. So this is the thing, तत्व ज्ञान कहते हैं ना, जो मन कैसा है, मन भी एक तत्व है. तत्व माने it's a principle. So mind is also a principle, much subtler than water and air, and it flows because it is anything that is subtler that moves, that flows, that expands. Okay? When we concentrate, we are putting our mind to a focus. Now, in meditation, we are not going to focus. We are going to relax. When we relax, we are letting the mind spread around. So, in this, there is no effort at all. कोई इसमें परिश्रम नहीं है, श्रम नहीं है. It's a sense of deep relaxation. So, you don't have to follow my instruction too intently. If you too intently listen, it may bring strain. So, no need to strain yourself. Just take it, instruction, whatever is possible, you just listen to it, and that's it. Yeah? We don't do any effort at all, and don't have to follow the instruction too intently. Yeah? Let us sit with our spine erect. This much we must do. And let us relax our shoulders. And let's close our eyes. आंखें बंद कर लेते हैं. शरीर को ढीला छोड़ दें. Relax your body. Honor your own body. Your body is a precious gift to you from nature, from God. Let us honor our own body. Our body has billions and trillions of cells in it. Many cells are being born every day, and many are dying. Those cells which were on you 5 years back have all died. New cells are born in your body. Your whole body is like a township. शरीर एक शहर है, इसीलिए इसमें रहने वाली चेतना को पुरुष कहा है. आत्मा को पुरुष कहा गया है. पुर में रहने वाला पुरुष. Honor your own body. This is your very first dimension. It is through this body you are in touch with the world outside. And everything in the world is connected to our body. Let's take a deep breath in and breathe out. There is oxygen in every cell of our body, and there is air inside the body. The very center of body, there is air. Take a deep breath in, fill your lungs, hold the breath, and let go. Let us pay a little more attention in the air inside of us. take your attention along with the breath deep into the lungs and come out with the breath. As you breathe in, notice your breath is moving through the nostrils, taking a U-turn there and then going down to the throat, filling your lungs, and your diaphragm is moving with it, and then it is coming out. सांस की गति पर ध्यान दीजिए। सांस के साथ साथ आप नासिका के भीतर, गले के भीतर, फेफड़ों में जाएं और महसूस करें भीतर सांस है। भीतर वायु तत्व है और शरीर के चारों ओर हवा है। अब उस पर ध्यान देते हैं। Become aware of the air all around your body. Like fish in the water, we are in air. Let us become aware of this phenomenon that the air is inside and outside of us. हमने कभी ध्यान नहीं दिया, जैसे जल में मछली वैसे हम हवा में हैं। हमारा जान, हमारा जीवन हवा में। Let's take 5 long deep breaths. Breathe in, hold the breath and let go. Once again, fill your lungs to the capacity. Hold the breath and let go. And the third time, do it again. Once again, let's do now the fourth time. Breathe in, hold the breath, and let go. Let the air come out naturally on its own. And once again, then breathe out. Then relax your shoulders, relax your whole body. Incoming breath energizes the body, and outgoing breath brings relaxation. This is happening all the time. Whether we notice it or not, this phenomenon is happening all through. Feel the air in your entire room. And there is constant exchange between the air inside and the air outside. We breathe in 10,000 liters of air every day. भीतर का और बाहर का वायु तत्व निरंतर बदल रही है. वह एक ही है जो भीतर है वही बाहर है, बाहर है वही भीतर है. Now let us move to the third dimension, the mind. Our body is like the wick of a candle, the mind is like the glow all around it. शरीर बाती है तो मन ज्योति है. मन के भीतर हमारा शरीर है. Our body is inside the mind. Become aware of your mind all around your body and inside as well. जो भी विचार मन में आ रहे हो आने दें. अच्छे बुरे सभी विचारों को गले लगाते जाएं. ना टोकना है ना रोकना है किसी विचार को. Good and bad thoughts, let them all come. Many thoughts have passed through your head, your mind. Good thoughts, bad thoughts, right, wrong, they've all come and have gone. Let them come. Not to resist any bad thoughts. Give them a tight hug. Embrace them. They will all disappear by themselves. Let's take our attention in between the eyebrow. Just locate a tiny particle, very, very tiny particle in between the eyebrows. दोनों भुवों के बीच में एक अति सूक्ष्म बिंदु, छोटी सी कण को याद कर लें. मन को उस छोटी सी कण पे लेके आए और छोड़ दें. Now let go. Let go of all your efforts. Let us become aware of the walls of the room that we are in. Let the mind occupy the space up to the wall. You just think of the wall, your mind is already there. Let our mind expand and occupy the entire hall or room that we are in, and the space above your head up to the ceiling. With a big smile on our face, let us just relax. This moment there is nothing to do and nothing to know either. इस वक्त ना जानने के लिए कुछ है, ना करना ही कुछ है, केवल विश्राम। मन जहाँ जाना चाहे जाने दीजिए, आप विश्राम करें। जैसे एक पुष्प सुगंध को पूरे कमरे में फैला देता है, ऐसे आप अपने मन को पूरे कमरे में फैलने दीजिए। सब प्रयत्न छोड़ दें, अपने आप पूरे कमरे की जगह का अनुभूति हो। Every night when we sleep, our mind expands and occupies a larger area. हर रात को जब हम सोते हैं, मन ऐसे विकसित होने लगता है, फैल जाता है। अब ऐसे जागृत होके होने दीजिए। Whatever is there this moment, let it be. कहीं कोई दर्द है, कहीं कोई पीड़ा है या असुविधा है, उसको रहने दीजिए थोड़ी देर। सबको रहने दें इस वक्त। Any discomfort anywhere, just let it be. If you find some tension, let it be. Any stiffness, just let it be. Just become aware of the space above your head up to the ceiling of the room you are in. And let go even that. मन को फैलने दीजिए। ना कुछ करना है, ना ही कुछ जानना है, केवल विश्राम। Become aware of the space behind your head. सिर के पीछे जो खाली जगह है, उसका स्मरण भर करिए। वहाँ मन को फैलने दीजिए पीछे। If you find your mind is little more active, become aware of the space behind your head and let your mind spread there. Spread your attention. Another deep breath in with a smile and breathe out with a smile and let go of all your efforts. एक और गहरी सांस लीजिए, रोकिए और छोड़िए। छोड़ते वक्त पूरा ढीला छोड़ते हैं। ना ही कुछ करना है, ना कुछ जानना है। आप ईश्वर के गोद में बैठे हो. You are on the lap of the divinity. The entire creation is filled with consciousness. He is made up of consciousness. शरीर के कण कण में वो चेतना है, आनंद है. Just relax more and more. Everything in this universe is just waves. What appears to be particles or solid substance is all just waves. Your body is a wave, so is the environment. Knowing this truth, repose in yourself. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते एक और गहरी सांस लीजिए. With a big smile on your face, take a deep breath in and breathe out with a smile. And let the smile percolate to the back of your head. चेहरे में जो मुस्कान है वो सिर के पीछे भी होने दें. ऐसा महसूस करें कि सिर के पीछे की जो भाग है, पिछला भाग भी मुस्कुरा रहा हो. और वो मुस्कान को उतरने दीजिए गर्दन के पीछे, गले में, गर्दन में, कंधों में. Take another deep breath in, and as you breathe out, feel the smile percolating to your neck and throat area. Every cell of your body is smiling now. With this feeling, take another deep breath in and let the smile come to your shoulders. Relax your shoulders and your arms. से महसूस करें कि मुस्कान उतर रही है आपके भीतर. पूरे शरीर में कण कण में मुस्कान उतर रही है. यही है ध्यान. अपने आप में मुस्कुराते विश्राम करें. तनाव अपने आप पिघल रही. विश्राम करें. Become aware of the seat you are sitting on. जिस कुर्सी पे या जिस आसन पर आप बैठे हैं, वहाँ तक मन को लेके जाएगा। जैसे पानी फैलता है, आपका मन भी ज़मीन तक जाएगा। Spread your attention on the seat and relax more and more. And slowly and gradually become aware of body and surroundings, and you may gently open your eyes.